Hi guys, I hope you are well and healthy. Today I'm experimenting with Liquitex Pouring Medium. And what I like to achieve is a watercolor effect. So let's pour together and see. My pillow for this painting is made of 80% Liquitex Pouring Medium and 20% white color and a bit of water. As you can see, colors are flowing very nice, but what I discovered is that the flowing of the 80% Liquitex is also producing a problem. I had to blow again and again because the colors were drowning into the very soft and watery pillow. So fluidity is nice, but not too much. Now I will have to find the exact percentage that will give me the best results. The outcome of today's experiment is very nice. I am pleased. You can see also the details. I have here a very nice painting. I invite you to subscribe so you can see my next video. I'm keeping on experimenting with pouring mediums and different kind of colors. See you. Bye bye.